Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. We are back on the garden house build. Just showing you where we left off. We have a little bit more lights cables to run, which we're going to do first. 3 more spotlights, and then we are going to install the rest of the insulation. We've also got some battens to install under the window for the heater that's going to be fitted there. The customer has given me a template which came with the radiator just to show where the brackets are going to go. And so we've got the measurements, and he also did his own drawing, which was actually more helpful than the template. So we're going to actually work with the drawing that was provided, and then that way we'll have a good solid location for the brackets to go on. So this is the drawing for the layout of the studs. So once we've done that, we've also got one more batten to install here, and then we can continue installing the insulation. We're going to try and get the vapor barrier on as well and start plasterboarding. So that's it for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think, and we'll see you at the end. Take care. Alright guys, so this is us for the end of the day, and good progress today. We managed to get the insulation complete. We also installed all of the vapor barrier, as you can see, the green plastic. The customer also wanted one of the walls to be lined with 18mm board, which we've done just to make it easier for hanging stuff. I think there's quite a few things that's going to be hung on that wall, so you've got a nice solid strong wall on that side, and we've got about just a bit more than half of the plasterboarding complete. A couple more bits for the walls and some on the ceilings. So I hope you guys enjoyed the progress on this video, and if you do, let us know, give us a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.